Hey guys, today I'm going to review some makeup and skincare products that I've bought from Nykaa.com. Now earlier I was supposed to do a makeup products haul, but I couldn't because of some technical issues. Now that I have used all of these products for about 2 to 3 months, I know how they work, if they are good, if they are bad. So I just wanted to let you guys know about all of these products. To know what all of these products are, stick till the end of this video. Also, if you guys catch me looking down a lot, it's because I have all the products and its prices and everything written down. I don't want to miss out on anything, so bear me with it. Let's get started with all the products. Hey guys, so the first product that we have is from Maybelline. It's their Maybelline New York Face Studio Master Contour Palette in the shade medium to deep. It's because I'm dusky. Duh. So this is the product. It has got a contour, a blush, and a highlighter. So the contour shade is really pretty. It's really good. It works amazing. The highlight is also good. It is not too bright. It is the perfect amount of highlight that you would need for a everyday look. It's really good. The blush, I don't really like the blush. I don't like blushes in shimmery shades. I like blushes to be matte, pretty matte shades. This blush is more like a highlight shade than a blush. I don't know if it's visible, but it is more in a shimmery tone. So I'm not a big fan of the blush. But the other two shades, that is the contour and highlight, is amazing. Also, if you're wondering, I'm going to list all the product name and their prices in the description box above. You can click on that little arrow and all the products and its prices will be displayed. So the next product that we have is the Maybelline New York's Fit Me Concealer. It's in the shade medium 25. It is very light for my skin tone, so I use it for highlighting purposes. Now the only downfall to this product is that when I apply it under my eyes, it gives me a burning sensation. I don't know for what reason it is happening, but it happens to most of the people. I've heard it. So but I use it to other areas like the bridge of my nose and the dark areas. As you can see, it is very light. Otherwise, the product is good. It has a really good coverage. The next product is the Maybelline New York's Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Now, this is a beautiful product. It blends like a dream. And this color, I'm the shade Caramel. It is like my skin, but better sort of color. Like when I blend this product, it just disappears into my skin. How beautiful. I love this. Now even now I have not applied any foundation. I have just applied concealer and it works smooth. The fourth product is also from Maybelline New York. It's their Maybelline New York Super Fresh Compact. It has a SPF of 28 and a PA+++. It is in the shade Coral. This was the darkest shade they had, but it is very light. It is not at all dark. Can you see this? It is super light, but I make it work to set my face and stuff. The next product is from LA18. It is their ColourPop Matte Lipstick in the shade Grape Riot. I got this one for my mom, but even I use this. It is a beautiful shade. Look at this. How pretty is this? It's like a magenta, like a dark magenta shade. And it smells really good. The next product is also from LA18. It's their Eye Drama Kajal Pencil in bold black. It is really dark. It's really dark, and I would say it is also smudge proof because whenever I use any kajal on my waterline, it tends to smudge and I look like a panda, but this does not move at all. It is really good. If you have this problem of kajal smudging, you should use this kajal pencil. It's really good. It stays on for a really long time. Next up we have a product from Wet n Wild. It is their multi-stick in the shade white. I got it because I wanted to do some face paintings and I wanted a really dark white shade. So I got this. It has this much product. It is good. It is dark. But the only problem with this product is See, this is dark, but when you start blending it, it kind of disappears. Like, I'm using very light hand on this one, but it kind of disappears. So that is the only downfall, but you can make it work. The next product is also from Wet n Wild. This is by far my most favorite products of all of these. It is their flat top brush. You can use this to apply foundation or blush, or to set your face with powder. It is really soft and dense. It's really dense. It is in the ombre shade pink and white, and very fluffy. It is really cute. And also it is cruelty free. It is a little bit expensive for a single brush, but worth giving a try. You will get quality. The next product is this eyelash curler. It is from the brand Bronze-On Professionals. I really wanted to buy eyelash curler. I have pretty big lashes, but I wanted to give it a definition and to make it look fuller. So I used this eyelash curler. They also have this attachment, the rubber attachment, which you will find here. If this gets damaged, you can use this one. So yeah, it's really good. The next two products are from the skincare range. The first one is this VLCC Rose Water Toner. VLCC Rose Water. It is a really good toner. It works. It does its job. It says that it is for all skin types, and that's why I purchased it, because I have a very oily skin. And yeah, it didn't fail me. I wouldn't say it is a magical product, but you can use it, and it is really affordable for beginners, and that's the reason I bought it. It also says that it tones and rejuvenates the skin. I would say it really rejuvenates your skin. I don't know about toning because I still have discoloration on my face. Let's see. The next product is from Plum Goodness. It's their pore cleansing face wash from their green tea range. Now this product is magical. This is really good. If you have combination acne prone or oily skin, this is the product for you. When you have acne prone or oily skin, glycolic acid is the ingredient that you must look for in the product that you are using. This product does have glycolic acid in it. It has antioxidant green tea and mild natural scrub. It has like tiny beads, green beads, which help exfoliate your skin. Also, this is 100% vegan. I love such products which are cruelty free, 100% vegan. This kind of products gives assurance of good quality and safety to your skin, is what I feel. So these were all the 10 products that I had to talk about. If you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure that you like, comment and share this video as much as possible. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube and Facebook. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.